Here's a pretty strange VN. This is a McLarty branded product. Handifan. And this is the Model 200. McLarty Systems. I'm not really sure what that is. I've never seen that name on anything other than this VN. And I think I've only seen one other instance of this VN. It's a kind of a really odd design, and it seems like it would be a total pain in the rear to service, because I think you'd have to unscrew this and then kind of bend it apart or something. I don't know. Consequently, I don't think it's ever been serviced. I've cleaned it, just kind of reaching in like that. But anyways, this is one of the very early fans that I purchased. I believe I would have got this on the e-rip-off. And I just always thought it was kind of neat. The cord is very long. I don't want to unravel the whole thing here. And it has a hook on the back so you can hang it on the wall. I think there's enough clearance that you probably could hang it on the wall and it would still run fine. There's kind of enough air, enough space for air to get in behind the blade there. No switch or anything, no speed control, just on and off. It's always had that little thing coming out of the cord there. And the brand is Cornish. I don't know how old this is. To me, it kind of seems like a product of the 70s. Wow, I don't think there's much information out there about this thing. So I'll plug it in and it'll turn on. It's quite powerful. There's a lot of air. And it's pretty quiet for the amount of air that it pushes. I have noticed that if you let it run for a while, it seems to slow down a hair as the motor heats up. I don't know if there's something wrong with it or it's normal for this kind of motor. It looks like a regular C-frame straight up pull motor. Very, very well balanced. You can't feel the thing vibrate at all. I don't know if the video's audio is good enough to tell this or not, but it's just slowed down a little bit. It just slowed down a lot just then. And it kind of levels out after it slows down a couple times, and then it just levels out and it operates at the same speed infinitely after that. It's a really interesting feel. At least to me it is anyways. I tend to think that this may have been something that was advertised to like maybe a handyman or someone that goes to different places and does different jobs, in sometimes inclement areas where it's too hot or whatever. I could see this being something that'd work out great on the job. Especially because it's really durable too. You can throw this in a work van or something, it's not going to get broke. Alright, I'll cut it off now. And this hasn't been running in a long time, so we'll see. Looks like the bearings are still pretty free. This blade is from the Torrington Manufacturing Company, which is not far from here. Zoom it in here. Whoops. Torrington Manufacturing Company in Torrington, Connecticut. So anyways, there is a McLarty Handifan Model 200.